If you want to make $100,000 in 2025 with zero investment, watch this video until the end to discover 3 trending business ideas. I'm going to share with you 3 business ideas that have the potential to help you earn $100,000 in 2025. These ideas are becoming popular, but are still not widely noticed by many people, which means there's a great opportunity for you to take advantage of them. The best part is that you don't need any upfront money to get started with these businesses. They are completely risk-free to begin and can lead to significant profits. First business idea: TikTok Shop. The first business idea is to start your very own TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a relatively new platform, and it's still not as crowded with sellers as some larger platforms like Etsy or Amazon. This gives you a unique opportunity to stand out and face less competition. When you list your products on TikTok, you can take advantage of its organic reach. This means that your products can show up higher in search results naturally, without needing to pay for advertisements. For example, there's a TikTok shop that sells simple t-shirts, and it made over $41,000 in sales. Another shop that sold custom phone cases made $34,000 in sales. These are just a few examples of how starting a TikTok shop can be profitable. While creating TikTok videos can help you attract more customers, the great news is that you don't actually have to create videos to begin selling on TikTok. TikTok has a search feature that lets products appear even without videos attached to them. If you do want to use videos to boost your shop's visibility, you can easily create them using AI tools. These tools allow you to make TikTok videos without ever showing your face or being on camera. This is perfect for anyone who feels shy about being on video, as it makes it easy to create professional-looking content without any extra effort. So, starting your own TikTok shop can be a simple and profitable business idea, even if you're camera shy or don't have a big budget to invest up front. Second business idea: affiliate marketing on TikTok. The second business idea is affiliate marketing on TikTok. This is a fantastic way to make money by promoting products that other people or brands have created. When you promote these products on your TikTok account, you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase using the link you provided. TikTok makes it easy to promote and sell these products, as it allows users to buy directly from the app with just a few simple clicks. This feature helps increase the chances of people actually making a purchase, which means more opportunities for you to earn money. One of the best parts about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to spend money buying products up front. Instead, you can contact brands and ask them to send you free product samples to feature in your posts. If you prefer, you can also buy affordable items like gadgets or accessories on Amazon and review them on your TikTok. By choosing the right products, especially ones that are priced under $50, you can attract impulse buyers. These buyers are more likely to make a purchase right after watching your video, since the products are low cost and easy to buy on a whim. This strategy works really well, because affordable products are often easy for people to justify buying without thinking too much about it. Plus, TikTok makes the shopping process smooth and quick for users, leading to a higher chance of conversion and ultimately, more commissions for you. Third business idea: growth partner for TikTok shops. The third business idea is to become a growth partner for TikTok shops. Many TikTok shops struggle because they don't have enough video content to showcase their products, and this can hurt their sales. Videos are an important tool on TikTok because they help products get noticed and attract more potential customers. Since TikTok is a video-based platform, having good videos can make a huge difference in the success of a shop. As a growth partner, you can step in and help these TikTok shops by creating engaging videos that promote their products. You would create content that highlights their items in a way that catches the attention of TikTok users. There are 2 ways you can get paid for this service. One option is to charge a fixed fee for each video you create. The other option is to earn a commission based on how much the shop's sales increase after your videos are posted. This means that the more your videos help the shop make sales, the more you can earn. This business model is great because it gives you the chance to work with multiple TikTok shops and grow your income. Also, you don't need to appear on camera yourself. You can use AI tools to create videos, which makes it easier to produce content without showing your face. This business can be very scalable, meaning you can help many shops at the same time, and with the help of AI, you can create videos faster and more efficiently. The best part of this business idea is that you don't need to appear on camera to create these videos. You can use AI tools to generate engaging, high-quality videos without ever showing your face. These tools make it easier for you to produce professional-looking content quickly and efficiently. By offering your video creation services to TikTok shops, you can help them create more video content, which will boost their visibility and sales. In return for your work, you can charge the shops either per video or through a commission based on how much their sales increase after your videos go live. This business model is highly scalable, meaning you can work with multiple shops at once without overwhelming yourself. Since AI tools handle much of the video creation process, you can focus on growing your client base and making more money, all while putting in less effort. The ability to work with multiple clients at the same time and automate much of the process makes this business idea an excellent way to earn money and grow a successful venture. So, in this video, you have learned 3 profitable business ideas that can help you make $100,000 in 2025 with zero investment. First, starting your own TikTok shop lets you stand out with less competition and take advantage of organic reach. Second, affiliate marketing on TikTok allows you to promote products and earn commissions without buying them up front. Lastly, becoming a growth partner for TikTok shops involves creating videos to boost their sales, all without appearing on camera thanks to AI tools. These ideas are scalable and can lead to significant earnings without requiring a large investment. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these business ideas excites you the most and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about it. So, if you want to make money online fast, stay stunned for our next video as we uncover how you can make money just by rendering 4 hours per day. See you in the next one.